And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Let's bowl off with cricket. The war of words between Marlon Samuels and Ben Stokes has escalated, with the Jamaican and West Indies batsman blasting the England all-rounder for making reference to him while describing his quarantine period for the ongoing IPL in Dubai, as well as on a recent visit to his country of birth, New Zealand.
Sharing the experience of his quarantine period in a podcast, Ben Stokes described it as something he wouldn't even wish for his worst enemy, adding that he told his brother that being in quarantine is so bad that he wouldn't even wish it for his arch-rival, Marlon Samuels. Although Stokes seems to have taken Samuels' name in the podcast in a joking manner, it hasn't gone down well with the two-time ICC T20 World Cup winner. Sharing the statements made by Stokes on his official Instagram page, Samuels blasted Stokes with expletive-laden messages. In his angry retort, Samuels mentioned Stokes' wife in a derogatory manner, while also suggesting Stokes was jealous of his, quote, superior, end quote, skin tone. Samuels also hit out at Australian great Shane Warne in his online rant. The tension between Stokes and Samuels dates back to 2015, when the Caribbean cricketer gave a salute send-off to the Englishman after he was dismissed during Day 3 of the second Test in Grenada. This was not well received by the England cricketer, and he had made it quite obvious in his autobiography, Firestarter. While referring to Samuels, Stokes had written, quote, "I do not like him one bit," end quote. The two were also involved in a verbal battle during the final of the 2016 T20 World Cup, which was eventually won by the West Indies. As far as Samuels' rivalry with Warne is concerned, the duo were involved in several ugly spats on the cricket field during the Australian Big Bash League in 2013. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.